here's what I'm dealing with. I've got a partial area on one side of the car up to the wall. Now you can kind of attach reality to my AutoCAD drawings. So like I said, engine block needs to come out. The cubbies are right there. Hidden behind is the welder, doors, and then, alright, so I got the only garage door that still opens. Man door, getting in and out. That table's gonna have to get up and move. Grinders are gonna move where the table is. The toolbox is gonna move just to the right of that window, and then in front of the window is where I'll be moving this workbench to. So we'll get to it. I earned it. So I wonder how close this is to my AutoCAD layout. I had to completely redo that wall, the tools. Filled the garbage can with garbage. I'm not real happy with the height of that, but at the time it was too cold and I didn't want to, actually it was raining, it wasn't too cold. So it was rainy, I didn't want to fuss with cutting the legs down, so it's sitting up on the ledge. Yeah, and then bricks are keeping it level. Speaker there got rewired. Important thing, stereo down there. None of that has changed. All right, the car is pushed over. Everything that was over there, a lot of it's still there. The engine's still there. The cubbies are still there. The welder's back there. I'm going to pull this radiator and so forth off. Pull the radiator and the core support off and everything. So that may allow me to slide the car forward and be able to access the welder from behind. In fact, I may be able to sneak the welder through there now if and when I need it. So now I have room to work on the fenders and the wheel wells and the hood and another car if need be. We can just stack all that stuff up on top of the LeMans, aforementioned fenders and so forth, and then be able to pull a car in here and work on it. Good news.